it is quite common to see this message from Google that your storage is full. And this happens for multiple reasons. If your WhatsApp is synced with Google account and it is having backup, it will show you this message. Or nowadays, we all take photos, videos out of our mobile phone, and if it is synced with Gmail, this is going to happen. I do few things through which I am able to manage this Gmail storage issue. I'll show you those tips might help you with how you manage your data, especially if you have photos and videos which you don't want to delete. You can see here, I don't have a additional storage subscription with Google. It's not much, but what happens is most of the time with Trigger Happy Hands, we keep taking videos and photos, and here you see storage is full. 15 GB is what I have as a limit, and I have exceeded that beyond 15 GB. And this is the case with most of us, where we keep adding this storage, and it is so convenient that we forget to even clean those data what we have. Here you can see now I have deleted some of the photos and videos, and even with that it has only reduced by 2 GB. So what one can do is, just by coming down, you have this recover storage option. Once you click on learn more and you click I understand, this is going to compress your photos and videos, and I'm okay doing this. This way I'm able to still retain the videos and photos what I want, but in a compressed form. So once you do this, it is compressing, and it might take some time. We will see how much saving this gives overall. The other thing is to delete these blurry photos, screenshot. These are, sometimes unwanted stuff. You can just go and select all and delete. Even after the compression, not much is getting saved. You can see the photos and videos have reduced only by about 1 GB. So it is not much for significant saving. Other common issue that comes is the backup which WhatsApp does and syncs up with Google. So right now you can see here, WhatsApp itself is taking almost 10 GB in this case. All I do is I delete this backup, and hardly there is anything useful on WhatsApp. This way you get to save additional space. All you need to do is click here and then click on delete backup. Once backup is deleted, you see you have good amount of storage with you. I've created a YouTube channel which is for only personal use. You can see here personal videos, and here I drop all the image and videos what I have on my mobile, and this way it remains here for free. I don't have to pay anything to YouTube, and if I have to share with any of my friends and family, I just share that link and it is unlisted. That way it only remains with people who get access to that link which I shared. So this way I have all my photos and videos in one place, and I don't have to even pay anything extra to Google. And this way I never run out of storage. I hope you find this useful. Let me know through your comments on this video. Thanks for watching.